2006 Honda Accord. Fan blower motor. I'm about to replace this. The reason why I'm replacing it because the fan comes on sometime when you put the AC on and sometimes it don't. Hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend. Leave a comment and like. My subscribers and viewers, you have to like and comment on these videos so the algorithm can push my videos out so other DIYers can see them and view them. Otherwise, they won't get pushed if you don't comment and like. All right? It's free. You ain't got to pay for it. Now let's get into this repair. You see this overflow bottle? If you just park your vehicle, there will be pressure in the system. You got to release that pressure first. If you don't, if your car was sitting, then you don't have to worry about the pressure. You take this overflow bottle hose off, and it's a 10 millimeter right here on the side of it. You take that out, then the bottle slides up. Now, what we're gonna do is 2 power plugs on the side of each fan. Right here, you press it in, and you pull it up. Same thing on the other side. Plug it in, pull it up right here. Now we got those off. See this clamp? We're about to clamp it and move it out the way. Right there. So now we can pull the hose off, the top hose, but you're gonna have some spillage. So if you want to put a catch can at the bottom, you can do that to catch the antifreeze that's coming out. So let me see. Okay, when you take it out, just leave it up and kind of put it up behind this little battery thing. You see that? It's not going to leak out. I'm going to put a cap over this. These caps came with the new radiator that I installed. I'm just going to put it right here so I can cap it off so it won't leak out. Right here, just like that. Now, we got 3 10 millimeter bolts right here. We got to pull them out. Pull them out and put them somewhere out of the way. This one here, I can loosen in my hand because you see this little plastic thing right here? It's a rivet here up top and there's one right here. But it only have one. So what I'm going to do is pull this forward. It's like a little rubber piece at the bottom. Pull it forward and pull it up. If you got yours with both rivets, take this one out right here. Don't take both of them out. It's Phillip head. And then what you can do is you can bring this up. It's a rivet right here on the side. You just pry it out with something. And there should also be some rivets in the fan, but this one do not have it in it to take the cables off. Now, it's 3 stuff at the bottom that this fan sits in. Okay. Now, you just pick it up and come up with this line and just come up with it just like that. Now it's out of the vehicle. Now, this is the one I'm about to replace. This is the one that goes to the AC. And if you look real close, that one is to the car. So when you turn your AC on, this should come on. It comes on sometime. When you hit it, it starts. Time to change it. So I'm going to show you how to replace this motor in that fan shroud. Okay. Now let's try to get this little nut off. It's a 7 millimeter. And take that nut off. And this shakes up. See, it's some grooves on here that goes on this. You gotta always remember those grooves. Put them back in that groove. Otherwise, you're gonna mess that fan up. And see, it got arrows on it. to show you how the arrow is going. So it's going this way. Even though this one you can't put on that side, you got to put it on this side. This is a 5 blade. You notice that? That one over there is a 7 blade. The one that goes to the car is a 7 blade. There are 3 Phillips head screws in here. Get your Phillips head screwdriver or a drill, and we're gonna pull those out. Be careful now, because I know they're in there pretty tight. Okay. What I noticed, if we try to put a Phillips head screwdriver in there, it's been trying to strip it. So what I did, I get me a flat screwdriver. You could take them out with a flat screwdriver also. That looked like it's working better for me. So that it breaks them. So me personally, I think it's better to use a flat head, and then after you break them, you could take them out with the drill. Because if you use the drill, you're gonna mess up the heads on these screws. So let me show you how they look. They look just like that. You could put a Phillips, but I feel better with the flathead. The flathead gives me more of a tightness to get it out. It's 3 screws. Take them out. Now, this motor is ready to come out. We're gonna flip this over. Take this harness out of this sleeve. All right, pull it out, put it on the side. We're gonna put the new one in, and these lines gonna line up with the screws. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in for now, because we're about to turn it back over. So put that back in, and you put this back right here. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold this and flip it back over. So get your screws, line the holes up, and we're gonna start them one by one. Get another screw. Make sure they're going in straight. You don't want to put them in crooked. Otherwise, you'll have to redo these. So, you got to make sure these screws are straight. Get the other one and put it in right here. And you screw them in. You gotta make sure they're straight. These are new, so it's gonna feel kind of hard, but as long as you got it straight, it's gonna go in. So we're gonna screw one at a time. And so the Phillips screw is doing better, and the flathead screw is doing better than the Phillips because it can go in better. Turn it around. We're gonna get this one. Hit the subscribe button, man. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Like I said in the beginning of the video, y'all need to start liking the videos and leaving comments. Otherwise, this video is not gonna get pushed to the people that really needs it, the DIYers. You know, the last one right here. So if somebody out there looking for this video, they're not gonna get it because you're not leaving a like or a comment, so the algorithm could push this video out more. All this is operated by computers, man. It's free. You don't have to pay for any of this. Subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Hit that notification bell so when I drop new videos, you'll be one of the first to get it. Okay? I thank you in advance. Tightness all tight. Make sure they're tight. Make sure they put it tight. Right there. Now we're about to put the fan blade back on. This one here, just unscrew this. Get your fan blade. And like I tell you, it's a groove that goes into this. Make sure it goes into that groove before you tighten it up. Okay. In that groove. Now you put that 7mm nut back on. And we're about to tighten this up. Right there. It's back together. That's the way how you replace your fan blade motor. It's most the same for every car. Just that you have to take it out the vehicle. Different way how to take it out. Let's put this back in the vehicle. Put it back down like this. Don't forget the fan shroud. Let me show you this. It's got 3 of these. It goes into grooves at the bottom. Make sure it goes in that groove. Okay. Make sure everything is out the way. You see this? You gotta watch that because it catches up on that like this. So you gotta, then you gotta find that hole. Okay, that's that hole. You get your 10 you get your 10s millimeter. Start them by hand. Get the other one over here. Start it by hand. Get the one for here. Also start that by hand. Okay, right now, while the bottle's out, use the plugs. Go ahead and re-plug them up. Plug them back in. And listen for that click. Also, if you took this butt off of this, just put it back over that rubber. It's a rubber it goes on. Just put it back over. It kind of gives you a little bit more playroom. It's just a little rubber that sits in. Come back on this side and connect the other plug for the radiator. Also, the little rivet that you pull in, I'm going to show you in a minute with this video. You just pull it out. Now, we're about to put this bottle back in. Get your bottle. Like I tell you, it's a slot right here. Put it in this slot. Bring it down. Push this back on. And get your 10mm bolt. And it's right here on the side. Start with hands. Alright. Start it. And get your 10mm. And tighten that bolt. Also tighten this one. Put the radiator fan and come and tighten this one. Put the radiator fan. Okay? We're almost done. This one here, for mine is a 7 because I replaced it. So, yours might be a 10. Get your radiator hose. You take this back off and put that back in it. Get your pliers, put that clamp, and put it back where it was. I try to put it back in the exact spot so you don't have leaks. Right there. Okay? Check your work. Make sure everything has been put back. Make sure you plug them in. Make sure you don't have anything off. And then crank up your vehicle to see if that fan will come up. That's what we're about to do in a minute. That's the end of this video. Hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a friend. DIY Diagnostic and Repair. Big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, keyboard and sensor. We're about to crank the car up and make sure that fan works. We have cranked the car, and as you can see, the fan is now working when you hit the AC. See that? So this job is done. See you on the next one.